Given that t is equal to 2 pi L to the power of half g to the negative half, express L in terms of t, g, and pi. So we want to make L the subject of the formula. So t is equal to 2 pi L to the half, and the g to the negative half is the same as having g to the half on the bottom. So the very first thing I'm going to do is multiply by both sides by g to the half. So I have t g to the half is equal to 2 pi L to the half. And now I can divide both sides by 2 pi. So t g to the half over 2 pi is equal to L to the half. So that's the square root of L. So to get just L, what I need to do is square, and I'll square everything. So t squared is squared. G to the half, if I square that, I just get g. And then 2 squared is 4, and pi squared is pi squared. And so that does it. By using the substitution given here, y equals x to the 1/3, or otherwise solve this equation. So I've got the equation x to the 2/3, take away 4x to the 1/3, add 3 equals 0. Now think about x to the 2/3. That's the same as having x to the 1/3 squared. Take away 4x to the 1/3, add 3 equals 0. So y is x to the 3rd. That's going to give me y squared minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. And of course we can factorize that. So y and y, 3 and 1, make them both minuses. So y equals 3 or y equals 1. So x to the 1/3 equals 3, or x to the 1/3 equals 1, which means that x must be 27, just cube both sides, or x equals 1.